Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix uh, turn on and off iPhone without power button. So how can I fix this problem? So first of all guys, I will request to my all friends, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So I will let's go on video. So first solution you have, uh, without power button you have shut down, turn on or off your iPhone. So you have open the setting and then scroll up, click on general and scroll up. You have click on shutdown and your problem will be fixed. Your iPhone is slide to power off and then your problem fixed. If there are this solution is not working, their second solution you have assistive touch button. You have mobile is turned on and off. You have click on accessibility and then you click on touch and you have I have already turned on assistive touch. So you have must be turned on. You click his power button is not showing, then you have turned on, you have power button is showing on your screen, and then you have click on this and then you have show this option. You have click on device, you have more option and then you have see any things on your screen, then restart iPhone, then you have restart and then you have lock screen, press and then volume, then your problem will be fixed. Two solution is then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.